All right, so this in here, that is third gear. This is second gear, this is first gear. First gear is fine, that's gonna work like normal. I'm having trouble with second and third gear. This is the synchronizer ring on third gear, and this ring on the end of this shaft meets up with it like that. Like that. So that's kind of how these come together. So this synchronizer ring has a notch in it here, and same thing on the third gear synchronizer ring. You can see the notch as I pass over it right there. There's a notch there. That's one edge of it. That's the other edge of it. So if you line those notches up with the notch in the middle here, this is the, I don't know, neutral or whatever you want to call it. And then there's these two wires. There's one here that you can see moving up and down, and one there. So those are like springs. And that pushes up on these little detent clips that go in there like that, and then it's springy. It goes up and down like that. And the edges of that clip line up with the notches on the synchronizer gears and kind of lock them together. If I hold it in, there's only that much play in these. There's only that much play. And I feel like that's supposed to disengage, because with the synchronizer gears kind of match up with the gears, like second and third gear. The second gear here, you can see how that synchronizer ring rotates there. So like if this rocks up and disengages, then it can spin freely like I think it's supposed to. But I don't see a way for it to rock up like that. There, and drop back in. The gear selector, this is the gear selector here, and that slides over all this mess. Like so. And it kind of holds that little springy clip in there. And I don't really see a way for it to, I've only got one in, so it doesn't slide very smoothly. But I don't see a way for it to disengage. You know, it's got both gears engaged there. And that's what it was doing when I had it installed. You know, there was no, like that should be third gear, and then this synchronizer ring and second gear, I think, should be free spinning. But they are not. And then when I slide this back over, you know, like that should be how it would be in with third gear engaged, you know, so that these teeth here are engaging with that ring right there and spinning third gear. But, you know, so third gear is engaged right now. Second gear is still getting hung up on that little springy clip there. Oh, there it went. So, but yeah, that's because I pushed all this out. That synchronizer gear wasn't all the way in. If you push it all back together, it's locked. So, the question is, how do second and third gear, how are they supposed to disengage from each other? I do not know. All right. Any help, really appreciated.